Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I lay my lace closure wigs, and also I'll be doing a short hair review over this bomb hair, okay? If you guys are interested in knowing about this beautiful hair, please stay tuned. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. All of my information will be down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So my hair is freshly washed and it's still kind of damp in the middle, but that's okay. I like to lay my wigs when my hair is kind of damp or still wet so that it can lay super flat. So now I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle, and I do still have some gel on my edges, so that's okay. So after you wet your hair, you want to make a part exactly where you're gonna have your part at on your wig, just so that you can line it up and it can be in the right place. You don't have to make a part, but I just feel like it makes it look more natural when you can see your part or have the part right under the lace. Now I'm just flicking it all back so that it can lay really flat. And as you can see here, the gel is still in my hair, but that's okay because now I can reuse the gel that got dried up since I put a little water in it. It's like gonna reactivate the gel that's already in my hair. So you're just going to make it into a low bun, like that. And I'm gonna take a little bit more water so that it lays a little bit more flat. And with the hair that's like sticking out of my bun, I'm gonna twist it up and then lock it down with a bobby pin. And now you're gonna go in with some Got to Be Glued. I use the black one. I prefer to use the black one more than the yellow one because the yellow one, if you have natural hair, for me, it does not work. And it really puts like a really ugly white residue in your hair. Laying my edges so that if I want to pull the wig back on the sides, it will look really natural and my edges won't look like I didn't do anything to them or really nappy. So I'm putting a generous amount around the top of my edges right beside my part because that's where the lace will lay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my edges with some of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. And I like to do all of this before my wig because I don't want to put it on while I have the wig on, because more than likely a lot of the product is going to get into the lace while I'm doing it. So it's just easier for me to go ahead and apply all of this stuff. Whoa, it's like spraying all the way out to the side. So I'm going to let it dry down just a little before I apply the wig. And now I'm taking the wig off the mannequin head. And as you can see here, this is exactly how I curled the wig and how I prepped it for the flexi rods. And it's been in flexi rods for about 4 or 5 hours. So I don't even think it really needed flexi rods. As you can see, the curls were really pretty and coiled. And I didn't apply any product because I wanted to be very bouncy. I just put the flexi rods in because I wasn't putting it on right away. So I preserved my curls that way. And I'm going to slip on the wig now. I did make this wig, and this is the lace closure, as you can see. If you guys haven't seen how I make my lace closure wigs, make sure to check out the video in the description box. I show you exactly how I put a full unit together. I'm just going to put it on, make sure it's very secure under my bun in the back. And the bun is also going to hold as like an anchor to keep the back of the wig down. And now I'm going to put my part exactly where it needs to go. And I'm just pushing down on the lace right on top of the glue so that it can finish drying. This wig is snug, y'all. Like, it is on, okay? And before I proceed to take the flexi rods out, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my perimeter so that it can continue to dry. So I'm going to keep the headscarf on until I take out all the flexi rods. When you're taking out your flexi rods, ladies, you want to make sure that you're taking the curl out in the direction that you put it in so that it doesn't get like all twisted and just mess up the whole curl. So I just unfold the flexi rod like this, and I just let the hair fall off on it while holding it like that. So after you've removed all of your flexi rods, I could really keep my hair like this. Like, this is pretty. If I just did like a little finger wave, or if I did like a little finger comb, this would be super pretty, even with this headband. Like, this look right here is a vibe, but this isn't the look that I wanted to do for you guys. So after you take the flexi rods out, you can take some shine spray, you can take some oil sheen, or some top coat, or you can even do a little hairspray, and just going to lightly spray your hair. And I'm using the Caviar Anti-Aging Top Coat Shine Spray. I was gonna do a comb, but I think I'm just gonna do a finger comb. Oh my gosh, this hair is so pretty. Oh my gosh, like, it has so much luster and it's super soft, y'all. So while my edges are still drying, I'm just going in and finger combing out the curls. Look at all that body. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is some really good hair. Like, it is definitely worth the penny, okay? It's so bouncy, y'all. Look at this. I think it's dry, so I'm going ahead and take off the headscarf. You can definitely keep the headscarf on as long as you feel like you need to keep the headscarf on, so that it lays your wig really flat. You guys, look at how natural that looks. Oh my gosh. So I'm just pulling out the hair that's right under the part so that it looks more natural and it lines up with the part that I put in my hair. So if you don't have enough time in the world to wait on your hair to dry under a head wrap, go ahead and get your blow dryer to speed up the process of drying your lace down, okay? So now's the time for the comb out, you guys. So I'm just finger combing the curls out with my fingers. Okay, so I'm in love with this hair. I can't even lie. I'm so in love with this hair. I would love it even more if it was longer. Because the curls are so tight though, it does look shorter than it is. If you want to make it look more natural, you can go in with a little powder. Do not use a concealer or foundation. I feel like creams or any kind of liquid will make it look unnatural. Your scalp does not look creamy and it doesn't look wet. So you want to go with the powder to make it look more natural. And you want to apply just a little, and you also want to take it down onto the forehead just so that it all blends. You don't want to see where the part starts or ends. And boom, that's how you apply a lace closure. Let's get into this hair review. I'm rocking Divine Elegance Virgin hair. I've been an ambassador for them for almost a year now. Actually, no, it's been almost a year. The owner is out of Dallas, Texas. She's from Shreveport, Louisiana, and her name is Shamrika. Oh my gosh, I love Shamrika. It's crazy how we connected. Like, I could give y'all a whole story. Like, I used to model for her fashion line, and now I'm an ambassador for her hairline. Like, I'm getting chills just thinking about this. But Divine Elegance Virgin hair offers Malaysian, Brazilian, Peruvian virgin hair extensions. All of her hair is top grade quality, okay? I have in 3 bundles. I have a 14, 16, and 18 inch. And this is the Peruvian straight, and I have a 18-inch closure. The hair will come in 3 to 4 business days, and it comes in this really cute silk bag that says Divine Elegance, and it has like all the information on it. This baggie is really good for your bundles, for your wigs, for your hair, period. You don't want to leave your wigs out like collecting dust and all up in the air. So whenever you take it off, put it back into the silk bag so that it keeps its moisture and its luster. The wefts also came super thick, and it was very full from the root to the end of the hair. After I got done with the wig, I was like, oh my gosh, this hair is so thick. Like, it was a lot of hair, y'all, and I didn't know how long it was gonna take me to dry it. Just 3 bundles. It felt like I had like 4.5 bundles on the wig because it was so thick and heavy. So that's a good thing. You only need 3 bundles to get a very full volume look. And one thing I really liked about the hair is that it did not shed at all. Through the co-wash, through the adding it on the wig, I literally the minimum of hair that I lost was so minimal, you guys. Like, thank you guys so much for coming to watch. Please make sure you check out the description box to order your hair now. And also, if you want to be a brand ambassador, hit me up on Instagram. All of my information will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for coming to watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.